Close your eyes. No map, no line, just sound. From one heart to another. This one no get border.
From the east to the west we they sing. Different tongues but the same heartbeat bring. Every voice get a story to tell. In the rhythm we connect so well. No divide when the melody flow. Everywhere now the same feeling grow. Through the highs and the pain we know. Music carry us where words no go.
Uanile botu
Aniji kotara no that.
This not song without borders.
Everywhere, everywhere.
Feel the love cross the waters.
We they share, we they share.
One rhythm, many voices.
Make your choice, lift your voice. Anibo too.
We are one.
Different colors, different names. Still we dance to the same flames. No be tried, no be placed. Now the music we embrace. Let the drum tell the truth we hide. Let the melody be our guide. Side by side, no need divide. In this sound we all collide.
Imwerotobi,
Nakuni mani nile.
Imwerotobi.
Nakuni mani nile. When the world feel far apart, music will reconnect the heart. No need fight,
No need fight,
no need fear.
no need fear.
Just listen,
Just listen.
we are there.
No border, no boundary.
Music bring unity.
No border, no boundary.
Feel the global energy.
No border, no boundary.
Music bring unity.
No border, no boundary.
Feel the global energy. This not song.
This not song without borders.
From the land to the water.
Every voice getting stronger.
We go sing this forever. Anibo too.
We are one.
Anibo too.
We are one.
No matter where you come from, if you feel you belong. This song, not for everybody.